I spent 90 days testing every free way to earn money online so you don't have to. Every app, every service site, every AI gig, every passive income trick people hype up on YouTube. I tried all of it, and most of it complete waste of time. But 7 methods actually worked. Repayments in my account that I could withdraw and spend. And one of them on this list I genuinely did not think was free until the money actually showed up. So let me save you the 90 days I just burned through and show you exactly what's working right now in 2026. Everything on this list is free to start, works from anywhere in the world, and you don't need any experience. I'm ranking this from the quickest way to get started all the way up to the one that could change your career entirely. So the list builds. Stick with me on the end because method 7 is the reason I made this video. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Surveys. I actually made fun of people who did surveys like 2 years ago. Then I tested them properly and had to eat my words. Yes, here is where most people mess this up. They join one site, earn like 40 cents, get frustrated and quit. That is not a strategy. That is just quitting with extra steps. The actual move is stacking 3 or 4 surveys platforms at the same time. Branded surveys, top surveys, and others depending on where you live, because the best platforms are different for every country. When you stack them, the earnings start to add up. I was pulling in steady money every single week just from surveys alone. It's not life-changing overnight, but it's consistent. And consistency is what builds momentum for everything else on this list. This one low-key annoys me because I went years without using it. If you buy anything online, even once a month, and you are not routing it through a cashback platform, you are literally giving away free money. That is not even an opinion. That is just maths. Platforms like My Points give you a percentage back on stuff you were already buying. Some even let you link your card in store purchases. You don't spend more. You don't change what you buy. You just get money back for doing exactly what you are already doing. So now we have got surveys running and cashback stacking in the background, and you still haven't broken a sweat. That changes soon. But first, let me add more passive layer. This is the laziest method on the entire list, and I'm not even going to pretend otherwise. Apps like Pawns and Honeygain, you install them, they run in the background, they share your unused internet bandwidth, and you get paid. That is it. You don't touch it. It just sits there while you do literally anything else. Now look, I'm going to be straight with you. This pays the least out of everything on this list, but it costs you 0 effort and 0 time. So think of this as your base layer. It's running 24/7 while we stack everything else on top. Alright, now here is where this list shifts gears, because the next method, this is the one I teased at the beginning, and honestly, it might change how you think about making money online entirely. Companies will pay you to join a group discussion about their products or ideas. Sometimes it's a video call, sometimes it's a chat, sometimes it's in person. And look at these numbers: $75 for a 30-minute call, $150 for a 1-hour session. And I remember the first time I saw that, I thought there is no way this is legit. Then the payment came through and I just sat there staring at my screen like, wait, that actually worked. One single focus group can pay more than a full week of surveys. The cash, you won't qualify for everyone. They are looking for a specific people, specific backgrounds, specific opinions. That is why you sign up for multiple platforms, so you always have choice coming in. But when you land one, it is different. Trust me on that. Now, if you think getting paid just to talk sounds crazy, wait until you hear what method 5 pays you to do. This one genuinely surprised me with how much it pays for how little you actually do. Companies pay you to use their websites or app and just talk about your experience out loud. That is the whole job. You share your screen, click around, say what is convincing, and you're done. Some tests take 10 minutes and pay $10. Others are deeper sessions paying $50 to $100. You won't qualify for every test, but when you are signed up on multiple platforms, invitations come in regularly. But here is what nobody talks about user testing. The feedback skills you build doing this, being able to clearly say what works and what doesn't. That translates directly into freelancing and consulting later. So you are getting paid now and building a skill set for later, which is actually a perfect transition into the next method. Several platforms I have already mentioned, like Price Rebate and GemSloot, actually let you withdraw your earnings in crypto, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. Now think about that for a second. You earn this for free. You invested nothing. If you hold it and the market moves in your favor over time, those few dollars could grow into something way bigger. I'm not making promises. Crypto is volatile and you should always do your own research. But the concept is powerful. You are turning free effort into an asset that has upside. Most people take the quick cash. The ones thinking long term are playing a completely different game. Alright, now method 7. This is the one I save for last on purpose because this isn't just about any money. This one could genuinely change the direction of your career. This one is blowing up right now and most people are completely sleeping on it. Companies building AI need actual humans to train their models. So you get paid to label images, rate AI responses, categorize data, even have conversation with chatbots to help them get smarter. Platforms like Pareto have longer term projects that pay better. Hypermicro has quick tasks you can knock out whenever you are free. The pay varies, but some of these gigs are seriously competitive with entry-level tech jobs. But here is what makes this different from literally everything else on this list. You are not just earning, you are learning how AI actually works from the inside. And in 2026, that's not a nice to have skill anymore. That is the skill. You are getting paid to develop the single most in-demand capability in the job market right now. I honestly don't know a better deal than that. So that's all 7. Free, tested, working right now in 2026. But here is what I really want you to take away from this. The money is great, but the real value is the skills you are stacking along the way. Giving professional feedback, training AI, thinking long term with assets. Those skills compound into way bigger opportunities than the road. So tell me, which method surprised you the most? Comment focus group if getting paid just to share your opinion blew your mind. Or comment AI training if you are going to start there. I read every single one. Now, here is the thing. These methods get you earning. But if you want to see how people are turning these exact skills into actual businesses using AI, I made the video on that and it goes way deeper. It's right here. Click it and I see you there. What's going to be? Don't thank me and you wake up.